Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time, green candles rise and
Okay, good morning. December 30th, 2025. Got a little smart this morning, got my coffee before the stream. Let's see. Yeah, let's just go over. Let's just look at the daily. Got a nice little doji there, nice little reversal candle. Let's see how it plays out. Came down to the 50. Came back up. I don't know. Could still make it down. Down, up. Could even do something like this. Around 24.4. If we look at ES, potential ABC down here, right around the 6,300 area. I don't know. Probably dependent on how well beginning of the year plays out. It could take a little short here. Entry would have been at 717. We're only at 713. I'm going to try one right here. I got in at 10. Great entry. We'll just try to pick up a couple. Back up to 14. Let's see. 1 minute clock. Got a 1 minute buy zone way down at 702. Down to 97. Could move back up to 14. Probably that would be my entry too. 17. Oh, good punch down. I'll take a quick 10, quick 9. Nope, couldn't get in. Well, got in, I don't know, 8, something like that. All right, there we go. Could come down to 97. I would close that gap out, start the morning. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and play this. There you go. We got FOMC minute meeting at 2 p.m. today, Eastern Time. Chicago PMI at 9:45. I don't know what that is, but there you go. We got the 15-minute chart here, and you can see we're in between, we're below the daily pivot at 25,762, and we're coming down to the bull zone. So there's some support down here at this 25,677, all the way down to 25,643. So yesterday's low right down there at 648. We've got the London low, so I wouldn't be surprised to take that out, maybe bounce off the top of this guy if we're going to go up higher. Don't know. That would be the play though. Maybe come down, bounce, take off, or come down and just keep going down. We took out this low, 26, 29th, maybe. Anyway, whenever I see we're below this area, it's bearish. Here's the midnight open at hit 749. So we're technically a little bearish on the bearish bias, I would say, until we're not. Right? Until we either move back above here or we start to see some higher highs. Right now we're 2-minute chart. You're making, you made one there, a little one. But 15-minute, you got a high here, high here, high here, high here. So everything's pointing downward. Good morning, Michael. So it looks like we're going to take out the London low at 684 pretty quickly, probably. That's what it's looking like. We just took out that 1-minute gap at 97. Could have probably just stayed in that short. But all right, we're going to let this play out, see what he does. Let's see, if my top is 77, I really would like to open here around 95. That way we can come down and still hit the target, get to 10 and 15 or 15 and 20. But part of the game, letting it play out. So be on my hands for a few. Get ready, good luck. I was going to try long first. All right. Good play. Better make sure I'm out of everything. I will not take that short. Oh, I do need to make sure my time is set right on these guys, so sorry about that. Let's see, inside bar. Okay, that one's set right. This one's set right. Good. All right. All right, so we're playing up with VWAP, just kind of hanging out here. See if we can bust up above it. I'm gonna wait, I got another second here, here we go. There's the move up. Yep. And I'm still going to wait for the first 5 minutes to close out. We did not take out the London low at 684. Maybe they want to take out the high first. I don't know. Still just hanging out a VWAP here. Closed a 5-minute gap up at 7:30. 15-minute gap, sorry. And 5-minute. Just waiting things to calm down a little bit. And what I'm going to put on here is the opening range break. I have a ORB. I remember what it's called. That wasn't it. Oh. All right, so there's TCS taking a long 21 point stop, 11 points target 1, 21 on target 2. But take one off. Okay, just took it off for me. Going to break even. If we can get up to 741. I'll try to show this trade when it happens. Okay, there's a stop loss. Oh, he did what he needed to do. Evidently, I got some cross here. Let's do. Oh, I can't. How do I do that? Yeah, I won't mess with it today. All right, we came up 2-minute chart. Let's see. So we got a 5-minute in. Let me do a fib, which I told myself not to play. Okay. Here's the entry area would be a 697 for a long. I don't know if I'm comfortable with that, but so basically it looks something like this. There's a 5-minute low, 5-minute high, and there's the 78.6, which was 698. We just hit. So potentially you could take that long and play for the long. But I don't like it. We're down. We're not too far down. Actually, it's not too bad. 696 so far. You've had 4 points against you. It doesn't look too bullish there. 696, you had 6 points against you. if we pop back out at the top of here. "15-minute candle says we could still do it and move up. So target is 750. Copy 697. Basically, it's 50 point play. Should we play it? Wrong one. Wrong account. Do I like it? That's the question. We're still in between CPR and the bull zone. I would have liked to have taken out 684 first. And that could still be the plan. Take out the London low, 2 o'clock morning low. Maybe bounce at 677 if we're going to bounce. I think if you get above VWAP, 620, 720, that could be a long there. That'd be my guess. So far, the short's still in play. Okay. That trade may not work out. Yep. If we can take out the London low. There we go. Just took it out. 677 could be a potential bounce area. Oh, come on. I wasn't watching. Damn it. Okay, there's the London. That might be it right there. Be impatient. See what we want to do. 3 minutes left on the 15. It'd be interesting to see if they make this a big old bullish candle. Go to the 2-minute chart. I'm in no hurry. We're now back below the 21 EMA. Rid of that. Michael, did you take that that first long there? All right, 2 minutes left. I'm just going to sit on my hands. That'll be the 15-minute opening range high and low. So these will change colors. Boom, 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 boom. And they will be marked. These guys will all disappear in another minute after that. I took 35 points. But I didn't take this short here. I did not. 96. Yeah, if you had 15 points, you could still be in this trade, I think. No, you couldn't. Right there would have taken you out. All right, they're going to turn that 15-minute candle red. So there we go. If we can come down to 77, that would be the bull zone. All right, so all my data, all that nastiness disappeared. We got in our opening range breaks, high and low, 50%. As we saw yesterday, kind of held it. So 707.75. You get above that, and I want to be a little bullish. Trying to remember what my opening range break strategy is called, or indicator. Oh, it's called ORB. Oh, that's funny. So, 31, 2, 0, 9, 46. Oh, there you go. I already have it. Okay, didn't quite get down to 77. Technically, could have taken a little short there at 81. 15-minute, previous 15-minute low. I don't like this little grind down. Let's see, John's. All right, we're at 77, top of the bear zone or bull zone. There we go. Oh boy, there must have been some news. And there's that bounce. Damn it. I was just gonna sit there and go long too. Son of a biscuit eater. Right at the bull zone. I would show it to you, but I'm not able. There we go. There you can see that green box there, 677. Would have been a perfect one. Okay. $677 with 3-point stop, 3-point move against you, up to 708. 30 points. Michael, did you take this opening range trade? Okay. I'm going to wait for a confirmation, maybe a close above the 21 EMA on this candle, as long as it doesn't get too big. I might have just missed my shot there. All right, came up and smashed into VWAP. It didn't like that. And I'm getting a little buy. I'm going to try one right here. And I'm going to try to go up to midnight open up here at 750. Okay. Quick $100. Come on, push the top. Take out that opening range high. I'm going to lock in that. And then lock in that. Maybe not yet. If we can get a big push up, I'm going to lock in the opening range. Yep. That'll still be about $100. All right, that's good. Close everything out. I don't know why that one's not closing. All right, that was a decent trade. Yeah, I got a bad field, so it didn't work out for me. Okay. Gunslinger just decided to wake up. And he's taken about, I don't know, 18, so about a 16, 17 point entry. 39 to 55 roughly. 16 points. So 50 was midnight open. I'm going to go ahead and protect a little bit. Wasn't a great fill, 36, so missed 2 points there on the entry. I'm just going to go to break even as far as the entry goes. Just because 50 was a midnight open, and I wasn't expecting much more than that. I mean, it would have been nice to get up to 53. That's the bottom of the CPR. But I don't know. In fact, I'll take him down to there. So it's 53. Maybe we can get up there and tag it. Nope. It's going to take me out first. Damn it. Should have just stayed in. Let it play out. What's the entry there? 36.50. Okay, and 50. There we go. That's probably better, a little closer, better than what it should have been. Uh-oh, my mistake. I accidentally hit something. Oops. I didn't know I had that guy hooked to me. All right. Hope I don't get double whammy for that. So I think that's a 25-point stop. I'll kind of hide right behind VWAP. Got the 5-minute weighted moving average of 724. I mean, it could pull. There's some gaps down below here that we left going up. Rectangle. We're in one right now. Okay, I will go ahead and turn these guys on. Okay. Oh, gunslinger, here we go. If we get to 53 and look like we're going to come back, I'll go ahead and take I'll go ahead and take it off. Okay, 5-minute gap fill comes down to 38. So if I do it, 38 plus 5, 43, which we came down to 42. There's a good fill. Come on, keep going. A little higher. Get them out. There we go. It's close enough. Didn't quite get the entry, but let's see if it comes back up and hits it. That's why I didn't want to hit it. It was that pushes into the CPR, and that could be resistance right there. So even though if it comes back down and takes them out, it'll record as a loss, but really it was kind of a win. There we go. All right, it got it. Good job. All right, back up, getting above the pivot, 762. Up 771. Okay, 5 minutes taken off, 15-minute big old candle. So got 3 minutes left on this candle on the 15. TCS won't take a trade. The next trade it'll take, it has to be a short. TCS is I forget what I call it. A triple cross system. Triple cross. Yep. So a lot of things have to line up for it to go. pretty good long entry there at 708. I think 708 is where I was at, 710. Somewhere in here. All right, there's TCS taking another one. I mean, not TCS, but Gunslinger. Okay, we're going to get back below the pivot. The pivot's at 762. But our top control is 771. Top control and bottom control are switched today. So bottom control is top control is bottom control. Got a bunch of 1 minute gaps on the bottom or right below us. I actually have an app that'll create all these, but a lot of times I don't want them on my chart. So we're filling one minute gap at 755 there, just filled it. And then we have another one starts at 751, which would take out Gunslinger there. He's at the bottom of that candle. I like to at least go maybe one candle or one tick down or 1 point down. But I don't know if it'll matter. $51.75. All right, we got a new 15, new 5. There we go. All right, just took him out. Now he's down 2 points. Okay, we're back below bottom control, which is 751. Probably could have used that as a short. $15-minute gap fill. $707. Yep. Okay, not much to do right now. Stood on my hands. Next gap fill is 732, which we've touched a little bit, down to 718. We get rid of that. Get rid of this one. Actually, I'll leave him for a second. 744. Now we have some sell gaps in. And we'll have to go back up through if we're going to continue higher. Yeah, not much there. Get rid of this one. All right, would like to come down to this 21 EMA. That would be nice. Maybe come down to VWAP. Huh. That short off of bottom control there would have been good at 751, I guess. Came back down below midnight open at 749.50. $7 a.m. here in California. Coming back down to opening range high, which is 733. Oh, there we go. Okay, might be able to get a short signal here. Not yet. Either a short or to long. All right, we came down and hit that 21 EMA. So my long right now, unfortunately, wouldn't be until 744. Okay, just got a sell signal at 733. I'm going to take a short here. One thing I don't like about Ninja, I wish they would be able to draw this trade across and make it nice and big and take all these and bring them over. That way it frees this up, be open. All right, back to VWAP. Potential little bounce. We're going to inside a big old 1 minute gap fill. Let's see. $61.8 is at 712, and the 78.6 is at 696. My long right now is going to be right here, 737. There you go, just took me out. But I'm going to just go back into that short. See what happens here. I'd still like to at least come down to 713. Come on, baby. 713, 696 would be the ultimate. I'm at the bottom of the 1 minute gap. A 1 minute gap. Let me see just to make sure. That high is 705.25. Yep. No guarantees we're going to come down though. We're staying above that 21 EMA, which potentially is a problem. We're above VWAP. There we go. Come on, one push. Okay, so I got to watch here at 713 we don't bounce. Okay, there's TCS taking us short. His short is 705. His first takeaway, which is right where I'm at. It's a good sign. That's the 78.6. So I'm going to go ahead and close up. We're getting really close to that 713 good bounce area. I'm going to go above the 1 minute weighted. Probably just take profit right there at 10. Well, I'll try to stay above VWAP there. Come on, let's go. It's on down to 5. Here's my other trade going on. Let me fix that. Right at the 50% of the opening range. See if we can drop that. I'm going to lock one in on this guy. He doesn't take it out there. There we go. All right, I'm going to just go to stop loss, break even, and we'll let him run. Oh, TCS just took one. Everybody's going short. Okay, I'm going to go to target 1 on TCS. See if we can get a fill up at 692, which would be target 2. In fact, I'm going to lock in. I'll try to lock in 700 if we drop back down. I'll lock in 700 there. This would finish up TCS at 29 points. At 92, he'd be done for the day with around 55 points, 54, if he gets there. There it goes. All right, so he's done with 54 points. This guy just got his points. So all in all, pretty good day. Haven't even played the 5 minute or the 15, which I'll take off now. So TCS with another 54 onto its 226-day winning streak. Well, not even 6 days. This was today's trades. This is a little funky. I haven't been able to fix it yet, but 25, 721 right there. Just no decimal place. I got to get that in there. I don't know why it's not working. But anyway, there you go. You got 10 points, 10 points on the first one, 43 on the second one roughly, and you got 54.5 total. And he's set for 50-50. Either win 50 or lose 50. I don't really care. Just do something. But overall, not bad. All right, so if we break down the opening range low, that'd be kind of the next point of entry. 696, we just tagged that. 5 minute close below at 695, so more downside ahead is what that tells me. We've filled all the 1 minute gaps, except for the ones on top, the sell gaps. All the buy gaps are filled. Okay, so what do we get today? 54.5. Oops, wrong one. 54.5. December. So 54.5. 2 trades, 0 losses. Okay, so we got a 15-minute inside bar. Yep. And looks like shorts are okay. Okay, bought sweet, so I'm going to just close him down a little bit. So here's the TCS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of trading. He's up 250 points, 90% win rate, well, 91. 11 trades, 10 winning, 1 loss, I think. I'd have to go through to see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, and then 1 winning, 1 losing trade. Not too bad. All right, so this should take a trade. I'm going to go ahead and take it. I got to record this one, which is 15. So I'll play this a little tighter than I would normally play it. So drop below 83. We do have a bull zone there at 77, which we bounced pretty aggressively on that news event. But we'll let the 15-minute play out. Okay, so I can go here. The TCS is done. Bot suite. So far, 2 minute is made 15 points, but really I made 35. And we'll see how the rest of the day plays out. This is the full length of the 15-minute candle of the inside, which pretty much covers. Oh, and there's the 5-minute. So I'm not going to play the 5-minute. I'm just going to play the 15. Or should I play the 15? Let's see, that's 86 and that's 83, so I'll give you 3 points. No. Anyway, play shorts. Play short. So it's only going to take the downward move. It won't take any upward move. And I'm only going to play the 15. I don't want to play them both. I'm up pretty well today. No sense in screwing that up. I reduced the amount of contracts. But I'll just do it just to play. Nine minutes left on this 15. Problem is all that support down there. We got yesterday's low at 647. Gunslinger, let me turn him down to, well, that was Gunslinger. Bot suite. Okay, I only want one on that. Okay. The bot suite. I'm just moving everything to one contract. Kind of putting in a little flag here. I think I'm set up now. I basically put in this, basically put in a little system so that it would try to go with the trend. So the trend being down, it should only take the shorts, not the longs. Otherwise, my older system, which Michael has, would take the long here at 709. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Looks like this one might work on the 5-minute. So entry would have been 709.25, so 20 points on that would be 29. Right here. If Michael can get it. Come on, baby, get up there. Oh. I just about took that short. In fact, I'm going to take that short. Only one contract, huh? Positions. No? There we go. And I'll want to take it off before I get to here. If I get there. I don't know why it's saying only one contract when I have 3 over here on my positions. That's weird. Oh, because I don't have some accounts hooked to this guy, that's why. All right, makes sense. So 95 and 96. That's why. Okay, let's see if I can lock in. $5 points? And there you go. I'm going to take another short here on one of my evals. It's not showing up here. Well, that does not show up there. And he's at 78. So looking for 20 points. Could get 63. I'm going to bring him down to low a day. Let's see. And I'll add 2 at the 15-minute low. So 86. There we go. All right, this guy took a trade. He's looking for, wow, for 74. New low. Just above current session low. Just trying to get this here guy going here at 83, where it'll take 2. And it'll get rid of this guy, will get taken off. At 86, right? Yeah, right there. I'm going to go ahead and throw an eval. I'm going to go ahead and take 8 right here. See if I can get to 20. That low is 86.25, 86.50. Yeah, that'll work. Let's see. Oh, that'll work. All right, seeing if we can get down here. May get taken out. We're just kind of going sideways here on the 15, 5. This will institute the 5-minute inside, and this will trigger the 15 right here. 15 here, 5 here. Going to break even on my eval. Just one contract so far. He's going to pick up 8 more at 86.50. In fact, I will move him up to 88.50 now. Okay. Let's see. 95. I need one more actually. Yeah, might as well do all 10. Oh, shit. He's still in a position, damn it. All right, I'm going to close that one. Yep. Now I can place him. There we go. He was also in this trade right here. The longer we stay here, hopefully the bigger pop we'll get. That's what I'm hoping on. So there's the 5 minute is at roughly 86. What's that low? 86.25. And the 15 minute is at 83.50. So I'm going to just smash an eval here, try to get her to go. It may or may not work. Would love that 86.50 to hit right there, or 85.50. This guy's still in his trade. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes ago. But doesn't look like we want to go down. Ooh, got a little buy signal. That's a little dangerous. Oh, it's slow motion. I'll just drop him down a little bit more. So let's go around 725. There we go. Got close to hitting that 5 minute low. Did not hit it. Kind of like yesterday where we got 2 or 3 15-minute inside bars. Right now we're on 1, 2, 3. We're on 3. See where it goes. Gonna get taken out of this smasher grab, whatever you call it, on this little eval. He triggered a little earlier than I wanted him to. Come on, let's go. Oh, there we go. Taken out. Gunslinger taken out. Let's see, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 minutes. I only give it 30 minutes to get to take the trade. So 15 minutes, got maybe 3 more candles. just about came to a stop. I think they're going to wait for the FOMC minute meetings. I don't know. That's what it looks like. 6 minutes left on the 15. All right, coming back up to the 21 EMA. Got a buy signal, so that's what's not so good. At 691. Oh, this indicator is a momentum trader. So if there's no momentum, he generally doesn't do well. You can see the last few days, I mean, we've just dried up. So, I mean, good news is the losses have been small, around 5 points, 6 points. But as we dry up, he dries up. Okay, so 2 minutes. I can go short probably right there, providing we keep coming down. Oh. Whoa. Kind of pitiful. Okay, the smash and grab failed. All right, come on, 5 minute. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is the last candle, so if we don't trigger the 15-minute here, I think he expires. I could, because the 5 minute doesn't have an expiration yet. So I could just turn him on. I'll wait till he expires first. He still has 48 seconds. It's pitiful. Michael, you even still here?
Inside bar, entry.
Oh, it did trigger. $86 and 5 points. I reduced my size on everything down. Excuse me. Just for this reason. If we can get a push down, if we can drop back down below that 15-minute, right around 83, or take out the opening range low at 81. Maybe we can get a move down. Back up to the 21 EMA, it looks like. Yep. We also have IB down here at 674.25, which is the low. Right there. Yeah. As you can see, I'm playing really small, down to 2 contracts. 2 contracts. Yep. 1 account. Yeah, you can't really. Oh, there you go. There's a stop. Oh, in the 5 minute. Let me do a bot suite. Where you at? $15-minute stop is right there. I'll just let that play out. Time to stand. Let's go push it. Took that long since we crossed the 21 EMA here. You know, just like Gunslinger, but I took mine right here at 12, pretty close to his. Like he's going to get target, pretty close. There you go. Took him out, didn't hit the target yet. There you go. Probably one of his last trades, 1052. It might actually pull off one more. I'm still in, up, I don't know, 13 points or something. Let's go up and take me out at 33 is what I'm shooting for. I'm going to lock in, let's say 11 points. If we sweep the high there, which we got really close but didn't sweep it, I would probably lock in the 29 or something. Oh, you fucker. There we go. All right, just took me out. I'll tell you what, it's a good play. The cross of the 21, you're on a down slope. You're coming down, the EMA sloping down. We come up with a nice strong candle. You take that long right there. It doesn't matter if VWAP's there or not. Take the 712, and I looked for 20 points, basically. And got it. I had 20 and 40 set. I took one off just to reduce the risk and end up with a decent day. Roughly 2K. Uh, 15 minutes done. 5 minute lost 30. 15 minutes lost 30. Just a shitty way to end the month. Gunslinger. You could take one more trade, actually. Let's let him play it out. Fuck it. 51 is right above midnight open. I'm only playing 2 contracts. I'm playing small, so let's let him play. Stop is basically 14 points, so $28. I'll drop him down just a hair lower than his stop is. See if we can get up there to 50. Just close that gap. We're fighting opening range high here at 37.3350. I don't know, maybe we come back down to VWAP, which VWAP's at 717, which he would get taken out. He's set for a tighter of the two, so 25 points or the candle length. NQ likes to come down a lot of times right to the exact candle. Maybe at 1 or 2 ticks below, so my thought was I'll just put it down 1 or 2 points below. Got 4 minutes 30 left on the 15. This will be his last trade. He could do one more. He could take this one, close out, and then start the next one. Again, playing small. I'm not interested in giving too much back, but I'll let the systems play out a little bit. I like to record their scores. So, not very good way to finish this week. As far as the bots go. But Gunslinger had, well, it's still up 20 points. See if we can get this one. That'll make it, this will be the last trade. So roughly 13 points. You know, that's what the ATR is. That's what the targets are based on. Come on, baby, get up there. Take him out. It'll be 19 plus 12, something like that. Oh, whoa, wow, wow, wow. Oh. There we go, midnight open. Like if I'm playing, that's my target. That would have been my target to exit, 49.50. Excuse me. I'll just go to break even. And that's 11 o'clock, so last trade. Come on, baby, get it. Get up there and get it. There you go. Oh, what happened? Didn't take it. There we go. Yep. All right, 33 points. And he went 4-2. 4 wins, 2 losses. One more trading day. 62% win rate, 48 total trades, 30 winners, 18 losers, 12 winning days, 7 losing days, and 2 days with no trades. When there's no Momo, there's no Mo. So he doesn't trade. So let me just turn him off. Using Replicano. There we go. All done, and all done. So TCS being somewhat the big winner today. With 54 points. And I could have let it play, and I think it would have had another winner here. It would have been really close. But, all right, do it again tomorrow. I should put a sign up that says the No BS channel. No bullshit, no talk, no nothing. All right, that's all I got. Ciao. Have a good day.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams. Gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers, don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom, show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story.